Ano yan, Abby?
On the burger kill, right? For 5 billion pounds.
5 million pounds? Ang dami naman nun. Ano yan?
Burger.
Burger and jam.
One having burger and jam.
Kanta ka nga ng Days of the Week song. Sige na. What day is today? And today is...
Tuesday.
No, it's Friday. November 30.
Mom, that's your burger. Yay, it's done.
Salamat.
But it's not done yet. Is it white too? Look at your burger, Mama. So big. Want us to decorate it?
Sige.
When it's out, we can decorate it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's out now. Decorate it. You're decorating your hot spring. It's coming later. Pick up us.
Who? Sino?
Tatay. Wait for your sprinkle day. Happy Halloween, Mama.
Happy Halloween, anak. And I
love you, Mommy.
I love you too, anak. Ay! Sino yan?
It's gonna be yours. That's okay.
It's okay.
Yep. We can make it.
Ano yan? Ang daming mata. Oh, nasa ng ilong mo? Ang mata. Ang ulo.
Hey, see? If you do like this, it's gonna spill.
Malalaglag, di ba?
But that's okay.
Nasaan ang tenga ni Abby? Paglagay mo niyan, turo mo sa akin yung tenga mo. Nasaan ang tenga?
See?
Nice.
Now you have to put it
Mm-hmm.
here until it's done.
Okay.
Put it here.